Today I'm going to be talking about this S5 I have right here and how good it is to vlog. So let's jump into the tests and see how it deals with real life situations vlogging with the Lumix S5. So first of all, I'd like to talk about the size and the weight of it. This is a perfect camera for the size and the weight. It does not weigh that much at all compared to other mirrorless cameras, and it is a full frame sensor in it. It's also really light, so you know you don't have to lug around a big massive camera for the quality it produces. My second point is this lens the S5 comes with, the kit lens. It's a 20 to 60 millimeter f.3.5 and it is fantastic. It is wide enough to do talking head pieces like this one right here, and it also zooms in, you know, to capture close-up moments. So this is a great lens that you only need one for the whole vlogging setup. You don't need to change lenses or anything like that. This is why this is the perfect vlogging camera, is because of the lens it comes with. My third point is the ease of use. So this camera is really easy to use. You can pick it up straight out of the box, and if you're familiar with cameras, you can, you know, get to it straight away. It's a professional camera though, so there's a lot of options in the menu which can be quite overwhelming, but you will get the hang of it really quick once you pick it up and start shooting with it. It is ready to go, and I haven't had any issues with it. You know, you can switch between photos and video really simply, so this is why it's a fantastic vlogging camera, is because it's got the ease of use you need to flip between slow motion modes, normal modes. So this is another reason why I think it's fantastic. My fourth point is the practicality of this camera. Now this is great because it is so lightweight and it is ergonomically good in your hand, but it fits in my jacket pocket. You know, it can fit in any backpack. You know, it is portable. You can take it anywhere. It is a tiny full frame camera. What do you think of this as a location? It's pretty sick, right? It's just this abandoned building that I found and stumbled across the other day when I was filming the drone video, so I thought I'd come back here and show it to you when I'm filming this video. And yeah, it's pretty sick, graffiti everywhere. Don't know what it used to be, but it's right by the beach, so let's head there. My fifth and final point is the quality of it. Now this is a full frame camera that can shoot in 4K, so you get the nice wide perspective, and it's in 4K, so the quality on it is fantastic because you get to shoot as well on Vlog, which allows you to color grade it however you like, you know, and it's got 15 stops of dynamic range, so what more could you want? I've partnered it with this ND filter on the front, so everything, all the exposure is exposed correctly, and the quality comes out fantastic every time, and I'm very impressed with it. And I'm excited to use it every time I do it because I know the quality is going to be sick, and I know I can produce good videos with it and have fun doing it. Overall, I think the Lumix S5 is the perfect camera to vlog with. It's got a full frame sensor, so it's wide enough for a wide perspective to see the background, what is going on, and it's got a nice 60mm, so you can zoom in for those B-roll shots. The quality on it is fantastic, so you can, you know, it is top quality, it's professional video for your vlogs, so this is more than what you could want with it. It's lightweight, it'll fit in a backpack, coat, you name it. It is very durable as well, weather sealed, you name it, it can do it. It is a fantastic camera, and I very enjoy using it all the time. So thank you very much once again for watching this video. I've made a couple of tips and tricks on the Lumix S5 if you want to check it out. If you've got one, I'll leave the link up above. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more content about Lumix and cameras, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to see you here more regularly. That'd be great. Hit that notification bell so you know when the videos are coming. But most importantly, have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one.